Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, part 3 on the RC10 four-wheel drive. Ireland, what's up?
How's it going?
It is now the next day. We didn't, obviously, it's not a one-day thing. We don't have time to just sit here for that long. If we'd started in the beginning of the weekend, we would have done it. We would have got it done.
Well, yeah, we started on Sunday night.
Yeah. I think we're at the most fun part of the build because now the belt's on, all the back's on, and it's got good tension. And then we just left the settings in the top, like from the manual, really. But I think that's max anyways, so it's got really good tension. But the only thing I think about is, does the belt hit? I mean, guys that drive it, is the belt hitting there? When it gets tension, it goes up or down. I can't tell. I think it like goes up, but I don't know. I think that's cool though. Looks excellent. Definitely has some drag to it, and it's like you could feel the wobbliness of that the guide on the belt. Ireland's opening up bag number, or bag E. We just finished off the bag D, and now we're on to bag E. What do you think so far?
Pretty good. Pretty easy build. I mean,
it's easy to build, but let's be honest. The manual is really hard to tell on directions on some of the items. We really had to like look at it closely.
Definitely double check.
Yeah, double check before you start putting stuff on, because sometimes you got to take off a bunch more just to go back. So, but I'm going to take a break. I got to go do something with my kids, so I'll be back with the follow-up on this. So here we are, part 3, bag E. All right, guys, keep following. Oh, before we go, is there any other tips that we can offer on this? Oh, okay, so one thing we did, what about putting the belt on? Put the belt on your front diff, then your back, before you mount your back diff.
Or you can put your diff on and loosen it. So
or you can put the diff on, but only thread it a couple. But we found it that if you just put the belt on before you mount the diff, it's a lot easier. There's no way otherwise. It's too tight. And then once you get your top support plate mounted, it's going to tighten up the belt a lot more than you think. We haven't adjusted anything. Like, these are right where you see them. We haven't touched them. So it's going to tighten it up a lot more. And man, it's just so cool to look at this thing four-wheel drive. I wish I had a 10.4 that some of you guys have, because that is super cool. We're definitely racing with these. So we got our other RC10s. I'm going to move out of the way. We got our other ones over there that we've been building that are race RC10 originals. A CE and original 85 or 86. Actually, it was a Cadillac. You want to show one?
Yeah.
I've done on videos before. Here's a CE that we did a whole cleanup video about, I don't know, 7 years ago. Ireland was doing this one. We powder coated it ourselves, and we're just kind of fitting it. So we got everything for that, and it's got big bores on it. And then the other one.
Want to grab that one too?
Yeah, grab that one. That's going to be his runner for the regular RC10 stuff. We have other RC10s too. I have a bunch. Like, I have all these over here. I have other gold panes on the shelf. This is going to be my runner, but I'm using the old school arms and a lot of the parts I made on here. So, and I'm going to run brush on that right now. That's what I had in there. And that's Sushi ESC, no limit brush ESC. So anyways, that's where we're at right now. So thanks for watching. Keep watching, guys. All right, so we got through all the way through bag F. Yep.
Starting bag G.
Bag G will be the shocks. So that's where we're at so far. That'll be the end for today. We only had a couple hours to work today on it. So far, so good. What tips do we have up to this point? This, if you feel like your belt is not real tension under pressure, under tension, when you put this back plate on and you kind of stretch out the chassis to get those holes to fit, it actually gets stiffer, right? The tension goes stiffer.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I wouldn't really worry about it.
Yeah, and also just pay attention to your blocks to mount your arms. Go with the set of holes towards the back, because then your dog bone, your CVAs will be more aligned with your hubs. as you can see. Other than that, I don't really have any tips. Everything went easy. Turnbuckle's all on right, and front's on. It does feel like it's under a lot of pressure. So from what people say, they break in, right? You run it and break it in. And you can see the gasket in there real nice. Other than that, I think it's pretty cool. When you do your rear shock tower, put the shock tower in before you do the belt. It makes it easy, unless you got regular drive wrenches. We didn't have the Imperial ones that fit, the long ones. So we had to use the little T cross, whatever you call it, bracket wrench. I don't know what you
Allen
call it.
key.
Yeah, there's a little Allen key, because then on these two, it gets in the way of the belt. Other than that, I think it's going to be fun doing the shocks. And then the wheels. So bag G, and then bag H will be the battery cups and LiPo mount. So that'll be the last one. And the front support, which will also give good tension on the belt too. So right now you can see that's where my tensioner is. It's just like for the manual. We didn't even adjust it. So, but that's where we're at right now. It's looking good, man. What a fun build. It's just a 4-wheel drive RC10 just looks cool to look at with this belt and everything. And you know, the front being so low profile, it looks right. Again, thanks Jeff Malar. I mean, you know, it's a really good setup. I just hope that this belt doesn't wobble and catch onto itself. It'd be nice if somebody made like a tensioner that would pull it down a little bit, maybe. I don't know if it's even possible. But other than that, all right, well, we'll start up again tomorrow and finish it off. And call it a night tonight.
Yep.
All right, guys. Well, like, subscribe, hit that notification. We'll see you in the next one. Part 3 done. See ya.